Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You have this topic and you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Hi. So my topic is describe an activity that you do after your work. I would like to talk about our topic. Most of the time, I usually play a PUBG game on my mobile. Uh, it's a game like online game. It's an online battle game. So most of the time, I play it at my home, and as you know, after my work, it's almost right before go to sleep. Right before go to sleep, whenever go to sleep, most of the time I play it with my friends. Uh, I think so. It's a very good game. Whenever you are very sociable, if you are sociable person, you love to collaborate with others, and you. I think so.
All
Thanks.
right, this is very short, 50 seconds only. And there were several pauses, and your answer was not properly organized. You made certain mistakes. You said before go to sleep. Before, and before, after, we use ing. Before going to sleep,
Before going to
after
sleep.
going to sleep, before getting up, after getting up. Then you said, I think so. You should say, I think that.
I think.
For example, you say, I think so. If I say something, you say, I also think so. Then you can say, think so. Otherwise, I think that.
I think.
So you should not say, think so. And it is very much short. So you should focus this thing. Now, let's move on. Why do some people enjoy adventurous sports?
People love to play adventure sports like if you don't have enough time to go outside and play a game like cricket and football, volleyball. So most of the times people love to enjoy these games sitting.
Okay, there isn't any proper reasoning in your answer. Why means reason. So you should tell us reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3. And in speaking part 3, you should give full answer.
Okay.
Okay, yes, that's important. Anyways, looking at your overall performance at present, because you spoke less than a minute in part 2, so you'll be severely penalized over there. Otherwise, it could be better, but now I would give you 5.5.